In this tutorial today, I'll be showing you the whole process on how to register your drone with the Mainland China Authority. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Allen Gadgets. Today in this tutorial on how to register your drone with the Mainland China is one of the most tedious application I have seen so far. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to register an account and then your drone with the authority. The one piece of good news that I can share with you regarding registering your drone with Mainland China is that it's free. Unfortunately, that is about the only good news you can get. All the other details I'm going to share with you is basically very tedious and cumbersome. So first off, the not so good news is that you need to register for all and every of your drone regardless of the weight. The next requirement is that you need to provide with a Mainland China mobile number and a Mainland China address. The address part is easy. You can just provide the address of the hotel that you're going to stay in. The troublesome part would be a China mobile number. Of course, you can always get a SIM card upon arrival. And in my experience, the registration would take up to 3 days for approval. So optimistically, you will be able to only fly on day 3 or day 4 upon arriving and getting the registration done after getting your SIM card. If that's all acceptable for you to be able to fly only after 3 days upon arrival, that's all fine. I would always prefer to do everything before even leaving Singapore. I have a tutorial on how you can do that from the link somewhere in the corner or in the description below so that you can do all your drone registration while you're still in Singapore. The website itself doesn't offer an English version, it's only a Chinese version as of now, so I'll use the Chinese version to guide you through and telling you exactly where you need to go. You will need the mobile number right from the get-go of registering for an account and also to register your drone. So everything will be done by OTP using that China mobile number. So the next question is, how often do you go back to China to fly your drone? Reason being that if you have registered your drone using the account using that mobile number, if you cancel that mobile number, you might not be able to get back the same number and you will have no way of logging back into your account again. So for some reason, if you wish to forgo that China mobile number and only register when you visit it again, I would suggest deregister your drone and your account that is tied to this mobile number first. Deregister everything so that when you get a new mobile number, you can re-register again. Because I'm not sure if the database will pick up on the serial number and then tell you that, oh sorry, this drone has already been registered and tied to someone else, you can't do it. So my suggestion, as I said, if you have to forgo this number and get a new one later, please deregister your account and your drones before forgoing that number. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. That's for the old tutorial on how to register your DJI drone in China. And if you find this video helpful or beneficial in any way, do click on the like button and share. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel if you are interested in all things drone, cameras and gadgets. And don't forget to click on the bell button for future notification, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!